Hello and welcome to Synth and Sundry. Today I've picked out a few patches on the OP-1 that I think illustrate quite well how it responds to velocity. Let's take a listen. There's a clear difference there between the two velocities. As opposed to the OP-1 where there is no distinction. And now a quick example with some two-note chords. If you're wondering how to set up your OP-1 so you can play it from an external keyboard, check out this video. I'll try and put a link in the description and also up here somewhere. One last example now from the cluster engine. I'm demonstrating these patches because I think that they sound good with velocity. So let's take a look at a different engine, digital. Let's listen now to another evolving and complex sound from the digital engine and see how it responds to velocity. It's clear at this point that playing an OP-1 with an external keyboard generally leads to quieter sounds, but that's not the whole story. Now let's see what this sounds like on the OP-1's own keyboard. The type of OP-1 patch where you're going to hear the difference between playing it with velocity or without velocity is going to be sounds that have a quick attack and very little or no decay. More DNA engine goodness with this next sound, but let's switch things around a bit and start off with the OP-1 keyboard. Even though these are short notes, they still evolve over time. Let's now head on over to the Dr. Wave engine and starting off with one of my favorite sounds. And now for something a little bit more melodic. Now it's the turn of the Arturia Keystep. Let's hear some more Dr. Wave sounds. I have to say that the piano derivative sounds, or piano-inspired sounds on the OP-1 are a real treat. Let's check out now some more meaty sounds on the D-Synth. And now let's see how that riff plays out on the OP-1 keyboard. Let's wrap up this video with the mighty FM engine. There's nothing quite like a simple sound. And with that, I'm gonna say goodbye, thank you for watching, and please subscribe.